Let's get real. When a man disappears the right way, it messes with a woman's head in all the right ways. And no, I'm not talking about ghosting like a boy. I'm talking about pulling back with confidence in a way that flips the energy, triggers her curiosity, and, before she knows it, makes her chase you. Most guys think attraction is built when you're present, but here's the truth. Sometimes it's what you don't do, what you don't say, that hits harder than any clever line. So, in this video, I'm breaking down 6 psychological reasons why disappearing at the right moment in the right way can make you damn near irresistible. 1. Mystery becomes your new cologne. When you disappear with confidence, you don't just exit the conversation. You spray on a scent called intrigue. And let me tell you, nothing pulls a woman in faster than the unknown. If she's used to your daily good morning texts, your check-ins, your how was your day, sweet talk, and then suddenly, radio silence. Her brain starts filling in blanks. Where did he go? Why did he stop texting? Is he with someone else? You've gone from open book to locked diary. And that shift, that curiosity, that's the first step toward obsession. 2. You no longer feel like a given. Before you pulled back, she had you mentally filed in the always available box, like Wi-Fi, always on, always there. But now you're that elusive signal she can barely catch when she stands by the window holding her phone at a weird angle. And she feels that difference. See, what's always available feels safe, but not sexy. What's scarce, what's uncertain, that's what becomes valuable. You've shifted from he likes me to why isn't he chasing me anymore? And that thought alone changes how she sees you. 3. She starts rewriting the story in her head. Women are natural storytellers. If you were consistently giving attention, she likely had a storyline in her head. You were into her, maybe even catching feelings. But when you vanish, the plot twists. Suddenly she's flipping through mental pages. Did I say something wrong? Was I too cold? Did he lose interest? She's analyzing the eye contact, the tone of your voice, the last message, like a detective solving a case. And that self-reflection, that uncertainty, it's emotional glue. It keeps her thinking about you. If you're starting to see how this flips the script, drop the word power in the comments. 4. You show emotional control. And that's sexy as hell. A man who can walk away without needing to cause a scene? That's power. Disappearing without drama tells her, you're not desperate, you're not needy, you're not texting just to fill space. You have standards and a life. You're calm, collected, detached, not cold but centered. And that energy, that I know my worth vibe, that's the stuff that makes her wonder what you've got going on. Because emotional control is attractive. Period. 5. You flip the energy dynamic. Let's call it out. Most women are used to being chased. So when you pull back, boom, the script flips. She checks her phone more. She watches your stories. She feels that little sting of absence you used to feel. Now she's the one wondering where she stands. She's in the hot seat. And the silence you left? That silence gets loud. Suddenly, she isn't evaluating you as a nice guy anymore. She's seeing you as a challenge, and we both know what happens when a woman feels challenged. 6. It gives her space to feel your absence. This right here is the quiet killer. When you're always present, there's no void, no emotional vacuum, no longing, but disappear without bitterness, without explanation, and you create a clean, emotional space. And guess what happens in that space? She starts to feel your absence, the way you made her laugh, the way you listened, the little things that didn't feel like much until they're gone. That's how longing is born. And longing? That's the root of attraction. Drop a comment. Have you ever disappeared and watched her energy completely change? Or did you hold back too long? Tell me below. If you got value, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video. Until next time, pay attention, make your move, and own the moment.